Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If you haven't gotten a smartwatch yet, then there is nothing that should hold you back from getting this one from DEKELIFE. I've been so impressed by the battery life on this watch. It has lasted upwards of a week before I've had to recharge it. I also love how easy it is to take a phone call with this watch. This is the first smartwatch I've ever had. I'm so impressed by how clear the voice is coming through. Hello? And also the person on the other line says they can hear me perfectly. You can set this up to turn on with just the flip of a wrist. And I love that it gives me notifications whenever I get a message so that I can quickly look at it without having my phone right there. This has so many different functionalities. I've only used a few of them, but some of the other ones that I like are that it tracks the number of steps that I've taken. That really helps encourage me to get out and do more movement, more exercise if I'm running low. And I love that it has this little bird game. It's super simple, but highly addictive and so nice when you're just waiting around with nothing to do. I got the gold face watch that comes with 3 interchangeable bands. My favorite one is the stainless steel gold band. It's really comfortable and stylish. I think this is a great watch and would make a perfect gift for someone, and that's my point of view.